Hello everybody. Today I have yet another praise of a company's customer service. And this was not a $50 item either. What happened was I was looking for an extra set of LED panels to do some photography for some other side photography work that I'm starting doing, because what I'm doing right now is just not enough. But anyway, I ordered them. And what happened earlier that day is my son had called me and said, "Can you order a present for my girlfriend?" So I did. Well, you know how things get in your computer, cards and addresses and all that. So when I went to order from Neewer a few hours later, it popped up and said, "Bill to your son." I'm like, no, don't bill to my son. Whatever we do not bill this to my son. Hey guys, I just want to take this second of your time. If you guys would please hit like and subscribe, it would go a long ways toward helping our channel and help us keep making these videos. Thank you. So before I check out, I was very proud that I caught that and I billed it to me and my card. Didn't bill it to him, thank goodness. So I thought everything was fine. So I hit order, boom. It says, "Thank you for ordering. Your shipment's on the way to my son's name and his address." Well, he lives in a high-end apartment on the north side of Atlanta, which is fine, great apartment. But they have a gigantic room. It's a huge place. And UPS, FedEx, Amazon, everybody just takes anything that's bigger than fits in their mailbox and throws it in a room. Well, you can imagine the problem that's got to cause, especially this thing's probably 3.5 foot long and 2.5 foot high. And well, it didn't show up. It didn't turn up anywhere. We looked everywhere. So all I did was contact Neewer, told them what happened. They said, "No worries." And they sent me a new one, and I had them send it to my address this time. So it came in today. It's the Neewer 660 bicolor LED panel. Like I said, this is not a $20 item they replaced. This is it's not a $2,000 camera, but it's not cheap either. It come with, let's see what all it comes with. It comes with a nice carrying case. I haven't opened it yet. I cut the tape, but I haven't opened the box up yet. And these are must be the LED panels. And the LED panels look nice. And they're pretty heavy too. I like that. They're not very cheap. They feel very well made. And what I like about them is I do a lot outside too, a lot of videoing, and they've got 2 spots for batteries, so I can take these outside and open up the barn doors. I don't know if they'll replace my soft lights in here, but I've got another job for them. But I do like the idea of the barn doors. I like the idea of being able to put the batteries in here and taking them outside. I think that's pretty cool. This just feels like it's made really well. This plastic right here, but metal everywhere else. Got all the cords. That's really nice. There's another one of these in here. I won't drag it out, so there's 2 of them. And it also came with 2 light stands. So this was close to $200 from Neewer. And I am so happy that they didn't delay me 3 weeks or anything. They just took me at my word. And we are an affiliate with Neewer, so let me clear the air. We are an affiliate with Neewer. I think they're a great company. And I never recommend anything to you guys that I wouldn't use myself. But, and I'm not necessarily pushing these lights. I haven't tried them yet. But the brand Neewer seems to stand behind their stuff. Last year I had a problem with a battery grip. And they fixed it immediately. And then, in fact, they shipped me the new one before I even shipped them the old one. So I have to say, Neewer is top-notch on their customer service. And if you know nowadays, customer service is few and far between. You can't get customer service anywhere. I don't care where you go, unless maybe you're at Chick-fil-A. But other than that, you're just going to get bad service pretty much wherever you go. So Neewer, I want to say thank you. Because like I said, this wasn't a $20 item they replaced. This was near $200. And I wrote them, and they wrote me back and said, "No problem, we'll take care of it." So that's what I like from a business when I'm doing business with them. It's very important, no matter how much you like their product, if they don't stand behind it, it's not any good. So Neewer, thank you so much for this. And if you purchase anything from the Neewer, you know that they will stand behind their product, and everything comes with a 2-year warranty. So I'm not going to put a link down to this at the bottom. I haven't tried it out yet. And like I said, I wouldn't recommend anything to you guys that I wouldn't buy myself, but I do recommend the brand Neewer. So we're going to give this a shot. And hey, if we're helping you guys out, hit subscribe. Y'all have a good day.